In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Microsoft Outlook. Clear, readable email makes a huge difference, and Outlook gives you a few fast ways to enlarge or shrink what you're seeing without changing the actual message. Start with the reading pane slider. When you open an email, look to the bottom right corner of the window. You'll see a zoom slider. Drag the handle to the right to zoom in, or to the left to zoom out, until the text feels comfortable. This change is temporary for the message you're viewing, so it's perfect for a quick glance at small print or a dense newsletter. It won't edit the email or affect what anyone else sees, it only changes your view. If you're on Microsoft 365 and you'd like Outlook to remember this level for other messages, open the Zoom dialog from here and select Remember My Preference. From then on, new emails will open at the same zoom you chose. If you prefer to keep your hands on the keyboard and mouse, use the shortcuts. Hold the Control key and scroll the mouse wheel up to zoom in, or down to zoom out, while your cursor is over the email content. It's smooth, precise, and doesn't require opening any menus. In supported panes, you can also press Ctrl and the plus key to zoom in, or Ctrl and minus to zoom out. These are great when you're presenting, sharing your screen, or working on a high-resolution display where text can feel small. In the new Outlook experience, you can also control zoom from the ribbon. Click the View tab, then select Zoom to open a dialog with preset percentages like 100 or 200. Choose a preset for a quick jump, use the plus and minus buttons to fine-tune, or hit reset to return to the standard 100. Apply your changes to immediately update the reading pane or a compose window, so you can verify the size before you keep working. That's all you need to comfortably zoom in and out in Microsoft Outlook. Thanks for watching.